In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add pages in Lovable. If you're looking to enhance your project by introducing new pages, you're in the right place. Whether it's an About Us page or something entirely different, Lovable makes it straightforward with the help of its AI-assisted tools. Let's dive into it and take you through the process step by step, ensuring you have all the details you need. First, you'll want to open the project that you'd like to update within Lovable. Make sure you have the correct project because that's where your new page will be added. Once you're in the project, your next step is to articulate your idea clearly in the AI prompt box. This is where you'll describe the new page you want to create. It's important to be as detailed as possible to ensure that the AI generates exactly what you're envisioning. When you describe your new page, that includes specifics like the page name. It could be anything from contact us to our services. Mention the purpose of the page, as this helps guide the layout and content structure. For example, if you're aiming to provide visitors with an overview of your company, be sure to mention that, detailing whether you want sections for your team or contact information. Also, think about any particular features or elements that might be necessary. Do you need a gallery, a form, or perhaps links to your social media platforms? These details help shape a comprehensive page. After you've entered all your details, go ahead and submit the prompt. Lovable will then take over, analyzing your input and generating the new page accordingly. This is where the magic happens, so give it a moment while it works. Once Lovable has finished generating the page, it's time to review the output. Look through the generated page thoroughly. You want to ensure that it meets your expectations, not just in terms of content, but also in its integration within your app. Check if the page has been appropriately added to the navigation bar or linked from other relevant pages. This step is crucial to ensure your users can easily find and navigate to the new page. The last step is previewing your app. This is your chance to see the new page in action and make sure everything functions as intended. Click through the page to confirm that all links work and that the design looks right. Pay attention to details like text alignment, image placements, and responsiveness on different devices. By following these steps, adding pages in Lovable becomes a pretty seamless process, enhancing both your user interface and user experience. And there you have it, a completely new page in your app, tailored to your needs, without any of the usual hassle. Thanks for tuning in and happy creating.